Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my YouTube students. Dear students, today we are going to discuss our new topic, that is factorization. Let's go towards the info first. It is chapter number 5. We will discuss its introduction first. Book is Karwan. In this unit we will discuss factorization, method of factorization, remainder or factor theorem, and afterwards the factorization of cubic polynomial. As you know that factorization plays an important role in mathematics as it helps to reduce study of complicated expressions to study of simpler expressions. In this unit we will deal with the different types of factorization of polynomials. First of all, what is factorization? If we are talking about the numbers, then if we will see that 4 is equal to 2 into 2. When we do prime factorization, so 2 2s are and 2 1s are. So it means 2 into 2 makes 4. 2 and 2 are the factors of 4. In 12 we can see that 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. These all are the multiples of 12. So 2 or more multiples of any number that completely divide that number. Like 12 is completely divisible by 2. 2 6 are 12. 12 is completely divisible by 3. So what are the factors? Factors are the multiple of 2 or more number that completely divide that number. Fine. We have done the factorization of numbers in our 6th standard. Now we are going towards the factorization of polynomials. Same in case of polynomials. Let p of x be a polynomial, then the multiples of these both two polynomials, g of x into h of x, both are the factors of this polynomial. When a polynomial has been written as a product of prime factors, then it is said to be factored completely. We will use these following techniques to find out the factors of given polynomials. First one is taking common. If we are having the expression 5a plus 5b minus 5c, then we need to take that this one 5 is common, so I can take 5 common and the remaining will be this. Fine. Now another one is rearranging. If we are having the expression ax plus by plus bx plus ay, so here you can see that between these first two there is nothing common. The third and last there is nothing common. So how we are going to make the factors? So if we are having 4 terms, you know that we have to take common from pair of terms, the first or second and third and fourth. Mostly we are doing this, but right now it can be first and third and second and the fourth one. So here if I am going to combine this with this, so it will be ax plus bx plus by plus ay. Here I can take common, a plus b will be remaining, plus y will be common, b plus a will be remaining. So it can be a plus b and a plus b. A plus b is common from these both two terms, so x plus y will be remaining. Fine. By rearranging we can also take factors of any polynomials. Another one is algebraic identity. Now algebraic identity. We know these 3 identities. We have discussed all these 3 identities in class 7th and 8th. These are a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So it can be a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Fine. Another one was minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So by using of these algebraic identities, if the expression is a square plus b square plus 2ab or a square plus b square minus 2ab, then we have to enclose it. The expression is in the form of this, a square minus b whole square, then we can write it down as a plus b into a minus b, or this one can be transformed as this expression. Fine. Another we have to use here is a square plus minus 2ab plus b square minus c square. So here you can see that this one is equal to a plus minus b whole square minus c square. So it will be transformed as this is a square minus b square, and we have to apply that formula. These three methods we will discuss: completing square method, middle term break method, and the supposition method. We will discuss in detail. I think this introduction of factorization will help you out in exercise 5.1. Dear students, in our next lecture we are going to start our exercise 5.1. It's question number 1, 2 and 3 we will do. So keep watching my videos for the latest content. Stay blessed and keep smiling. Allah Hafiz.